Welcome to our compact laundry showdown. Today we are comparing two innovative portable washing machines, the Auertech portable washing machine and the mini portable washer. Both designed for convenience in small living spaces, these machines cater to different laundry needs. Let's explore their features, specifications, and see which one stands out for your laundry tasks. The Auertech portable washing machine boasts an impressive 18 pounds washing capacity, making it ideal for larger loads, while the mini portable washer offers a more compact 11-liter capacity, suitable for smaller items like delicates and baby clothes. This significant difference in capacity makes the Auertech a better choice for users with more laundry needs. When it comes to portability, the mini portable washer shines with its ultra-lightweight design, weighing just 3.37 pounds and folding flat for easy storage. In contrast, the Auertech weighs 31 pounds, and, while it offers more functionality, it is less convenient for travel or small spaces. The Auertech features a semi-automatic twin-tub system with a drain pump, allowing for efficient washing and spinning. Meanwhile, the mini washer utilizes a modern touchscreen and S+ Clean technology, making it user-friendly but lacking in advanced features like a dedicated spin tub. Each machine has its strengths, catering to different user preferences. In conclusion, both the Auertech portable washing machine and the mini portable washer offer unique advantages depending on your laundry needs. If you require higher capacity and functionality, the Auertech is the way to go. However, for those prioritizing portability and ease of use, the mini washer is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.